Hi, this is Darwin with APC Dynamics, and today I'm going to show you how to set up our SharePoint connector for Business Central. The first thing you need to do is go into your Entra Admin Center, go into App Registrations, and click on New Registration. We are going to give it a name, so I'll say SB Connector. We're going to keep it as single tenant. We're going to say Web Platform. And then we need to give it our OAuth landing page URL. Then click register. Okay, the important things that you need off of this screen right here is you need to make sure you get your application ID and your directory tenant ID. So I'll copy those and put that into a notepad for this. And copy that one. Next, we're going to create our secret. So we go into certificates and secrets, click on new secret, give it a name. Let's see, APC secret. And I'm going to change this to be just 90 days. All right, now that we have that, we want to make sure we copy our secret value because we'll need that in Business Central. And then our expiration date of July 29th, 2026. Next, what we need to do is give it some API permissions. So we'll click on API permissions, and we already have one for graph set up, but we're going to add a bunch more. I'm going to pause the video real quick, add those, and then let you see them once I'm done. Okay, now that you've added all those, all you need to do next in this screen is click on Grant Admin Consent. So you click on that, you tell it, yes, I want to. And once it's done, it'll show that you've granted access. Okay, back in Business Central, the first thing we need to do is get our Entra app set up inside of Business Central. So we'll do a search for Entra, open up the Microsoft Entra Applications page, click on New. Let's enter our client ID, give it a description, and then let's enable the application. Click yes. Next, we are going to give it to the D365 full access permission set. Click on grant consent. Tell it which account we want. And then we're going to accept all the permissions. If you see the consent was given successfully message, this part is done. Okay, now we are going to back out of our Microsoft Entra Applications screens. We are going to now go to our SharePoint Connector setup page. So we'll search for that, open it up. And in here, we will enter in our secret expiration date. We'll leave the notifications turned on. You can turn that off if you want. It's just to notify you for when your secret's going to expire. Next, let's enter in our client ID. We need to enter in our secret value from our secret. And then we're going to leave authorization code alone. We're going to leave the redirect URL, the scope, the authorization URL, and the token URL alone. Now all we need to do is test our connection, wait for it to finish, and we have a successful connection. Click OK, and that's it. You're good to go. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions.